Okay, so Austin has just finished shooting it out. Could you hold it?
Yeah.
Just zoom it in. Okay, hold it, please. Put that around so it doesn't fall in the snow. Okay. So we are going to tally up all the hits that he had. Okay. Zoom it in so they can see.
Zoom in.
We're going to start with the legs.
Zoom out.
Smell this marker.
Ew.
Okay. So there's one.
I'll just wait till the red dots are done.
There's one there, and one there. So that's 3 points. It's 3 points.
Yeah.
Now we'll move up to the body. There's only one on the body.
Stick.
So that's 5 points. And then there's one on the chin.
Chin.
Ahead, so that's 10 points. So you got 18 points. Oh, I can't do an 8 anymore. Okay, we'll be coming to you with my video of me shooting it. See you later. Bye.